In this video, what we need to achieve, basically, we need just to play with the style, and I want to create functions to check on load of this page whether this user liked or dislikes the video. So let's do the styling first. So I'll go to the, for example, to this component, and I know in the class I have likes active or dislike active, and based on this I can change the some of the, for example, the styles. So I'll go to the voting and then do something here. So inside the style I can add something basically, or inside the class, to change the color, for example, or whatever. So I know, for example, here if I say color primary, if I say text primary, which is I think blue in Bootstrap, let's see, yeah, it will be blue this way. So I can play with this text when that class is active. I will say if, and then I will check that class likes active, and then what I will do, I'll print this class, and then I'll say else, then for example nothing, or maybe text gray, or text gray, or gray text is our normal class, gray text, overwrite again. So if I go now and check, so there's something wrong here in the file, so I must change this one, like, and then say end if. So let's see, this is working. Let me just check the code. So like, it should be like active, and then we'll refresh. It's working fine because no active now. Let's see if this will be working fine. Yeah. So the current user, we can check it later. So now it's changing, but it's not updating. When that will do when the user is currently is enabled, we can check, but at least the color is working fine. So again, we'll do the same thing here for dislikes. It is there inside the class, but this time we'll say dislike active, and then we'll refresh. Again, there's no issues, but it's working when I click on it. So now the other thing I want to check also here, inside the class, when this is mounting, I want to check whether this one, the current user, likes or dislikes the video. So I will say this, another function, check if liked, this video is liked by this user, and then another function will be if this, check if disliked. Okay, so let's make these two functions. So I'll add this function. So what we do in this one, basically very simple, because we have our model function to check that. We can say video and say the other function on the video. If you remember, user likes, does user likes the video, and then we can say itinerary. If it is valid, then we say this likes active, we can set it to true. Otherwise, this itinerary, we can copy it again, and this should be false. Okay, same thing for this function. I will repeat it, just copy it here, and should be the other function, dislike video. So we'll copy the other function for confirming the dislike. So if the video is disliked, does user dislike this video, then we can say dislike is active, otherwise dislike is false. Dislikes is false. So what we are just here, just to wrap it up or just summarize it, we are checking on mount this user likes or dislikes the video, because we need to play with the active status. So again, this is already there in our model from the previous videos, and this one to check dislikes from the previous videos, and then we can say true or false, and we are doing some modification here on the style. So let's see and see. Now let's see, because I'm doing both of them is for example active, but now one is active. So if I click again, see it is updating. I can change, but one thing that I don't want both of them also to be active at the same time. I mean, this is blue and this is blue. Okay, so we need to work also. If I am enable this one, for example, this is one now, and this is, sorry, let me enable both of them. So 1 this should not happen. So in the next video or the video after, we'll make sure that one is active at any time.